Hey guys, I just want to do a real quick video on the easy way to remove a cup from the Cuptisserie on the female pipe thread version of the Cuptisserie. Trying to tongue twist myself with all these Cuptisserie words, but let's get started. So we want to remove this left front cup without touching the cup. When you screw these pieces of PVC together, sometimes they get really tight. And the easiest way to remove them is to let the rotisserie motor actually do the work for you to break the connection free. So this one's spinning counterclockwise right now, and we want it to spin clockwise. And the interesting thing with these rotisserie motors, if you turn them off and turn them back on, usually they reverse directions. So as you can see, I waited about a second there and it reversed directions after I turned it back on. So when you hold the coupler, you want to use your index finger and your thumb, and then you want to use your middle finger and your ring finger to support the pipe. And then you hold on and let the motor break the connection free. So now that it's loose, you want to grab a hold and turn the nut and support the pipe back here with these two fingers. That way when you come free of the connection, you don't drop the cup. And I'm getting really close there, and these are really heavy cups. These 30-ounce cups are really heavy, so I'm just holding on to it just like that, and that's how you would remove it. If you found the video useful, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. I have more videos coming, and if you guys have questions, leave them in the comment section below, or you can always contact me at sales@madscientisthut.com. And thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next video.